Hi and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to find hidden SSID networks around you. First you need to put your wireless card into monitor mode using airmon ng. Now type aerodump ng wlan 0 mon to list the wireless networks around you. Any wireless network that is hidden should show up as the name length. Once you found the network that you are looking to find the hidden SSID, use Ctrl+C to stop the scan. So this one right here is my network, and you can see that the SSID is hidden. Now I will need a few details about my network, like its MAC address and the channel that it's using. So go ahead and type the following command. Aerodump ng channel 6 and the BSSID of the network you are targeting. In order to bypass the hidden SSID, you need to wait for a client to connect to the access point. But waiting for a client to connect can take hours, even days. So a better way is to force clients to disconnect and reconnect using the following command. Airplay ng-0 and the number of packets, and then the BSSID of the access point you are targeting. Once a client tries to connect to the access point, they exchange probe request and probe response packets. These packets contain the SSID of the access point. As these packets are not encrypted, they can be very easily sniffed from the air, and the SSID can be found. So that's it for this lesson. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.